You see first the this type of problem generally comes as a domain and range problem, domain and range. Okay, so here the problem is find the set of all real numbers of x. Real numbers means those who are real, not imaginary. I mean that not related to I is equal to root over minus 1. That is not, that is the imaginary part. Real number is only those who are only real. Okay, so that is the set of real numbers of x for which this inequation can be solved. Inequation or inequality. Inequality. We are generally telling that is inequality problem. Okay, so let's solve the problem. Here we can see x square minus mod of x plus 2 plus x is equal to 0. Okay, so you know that mod x means plus x and minus plus minus x. Y is equal to mod x. Okay, the curve is in this way. This is plus x, y is equal to plus x and y is equal to minus x. That is the curve of y is equal to mod x. You must first clear those things. Okay, so let's come to the topic first. Can solve the inequality and the domain and range value of the problem. Okay, first x plus 2 greater than is equal to 0. So x greater than is equal to minus 2. Then x square minus x minus 2 plus x greater than 0. Okay, or x square greater than 2. This imply x belongs to, you see, that is the minus infinity to plus infinity, and that is minus root 2. Here that is plus root 2. Okay, so the inequality is minus infinity to root 2 and root 2 to infinity. Okay, so that is the inequality problem, and the range is minus infinity to minus root 2 union root 2 to infinity. Root 2 infinity means that the range is given plus root 2 to infinity and minus root 2 to minus infinity. And then you know that x plus 2 greater than or equal to 0 and x greater than or equal to minus 2. Minus 2 means that root 2 means 1.414 and minus 2 means here, that is minus 2. Okay, so then the actual is closed interval minus 2 to minus root 2 union open interval root 2 to infinity. This means that is the range, and minus 2 to root 2, that is the range. Okay, so let's forget about that part is closed. And then for x less than minus 2, you know that this mod means positive as well as the negative value. Okay, when the x minus 2, then x square plus x plus 2 plus x greater than 0, then x square plus 2x plus 2 greater than 0 for all x. Okay, then x plus 1s square plus 1 greater than 0. And the most important thing, that x plus 1s square greater than minus 1. So you can see that is the x plus 1s square and which is the minus 1. So we are not taking about the imaginary part of z, imaginary part of x. Okay, this is imaginary whole. When you are going to solve this table on x plus 1 greater than is equal to root over minus 1, that is the imaginary part. So we are not considering this. We can only consider the range which is in the real, and the total range is minus infinity to minus root 2 and the root 2 to infinity. Meanwhile, if it is the range minus infinity to plus infinity, then minus infinity to minus root 2 and to minus plus 2 to infinity. Meanwhile, in this portion and in this portion. So that is the answer. So the answer is x open interval minus infinity to minus root 2 and root 2 to infinity. That is the